Snakes move forward by using their powerful muscles. Usually, 4 types of snake movement are recognized. The most common is the serpentine locomotion, also called lateral undulation. Snakes move their bodies along an S-shaped path, bending them to generate a wave of muscular contractions. Rectilinear locomotion is a mode of travel in which the snake moves in a straight line. Sidewinding is a unique locomotion used by some snakes that live in deserts. Concertina movement is a type of locomotion where the snake stretches the front part of its body forward and anchors itself with it, then pulls the rest of the body forward too.